Okay, washing machine's back on its like normal winds now on Beko. I'm just waiting for if it's gonna puke or not. It's done a longer wince, so and there's suds in it, so we'll soon find out what it does. So it has been puking really badly today, so we'll find out what happens in a few minutes or so. Stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy content like today. It's been ace. There's still a suds in there, quite a bit of suds. If it balances straight away, I think it might do a big sud slocking and puking again. There we go, let's see. Let's see what it decides to do. Let's see what it decides to do. Let's see what it decides to do. Balanced straight away.